This is the fourth video presentation for the CASE Ag Power and Technology course. As you view this video, be sure to make notes of important information. Feel free to pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. First Aid, Lesson 2.1, Safety Setting. You have completed Activity 214, PPE with a Purpose, during which you identified types and uses of PPE. However, accidents and injuries can happen despite the best precautions. This presentation provides information about what to do in case of accidents involving personal injury. First aid is not a professional medical treatment. It is a first response before professional help arrives. First aid should not be administered without proper training. Once an accident occurs, your supervisor needs to be notified and professional help requested. Never move the injured person. Moving an injured person may cause additional injuries. The situation and person need to be assessed before first aid is given. Again, do not administer first aid procedures unless you have been trained to do so. Before first aid is given, determine if the environment is safe for you to enter. Look for hazards such as live electrical wires, slippery surfaces, or moving machinery. If you are putting yourself at risk, wait for professional help to arrive. Once the situation is safe to enter, assess the person for injuries. Is the injured person safe and secure? Can they breathe? Help them stay calm and still if they are conscious. If they are unconscious or unresponsive, carefully look for injuries. Again, without moving them. If the victim is unconscious, implied consent can be given. Implied consent is given when a victim is unresponsive and with consent if conscious. You should only perform first aid that you are trained in providing. Local and online trainings are available for you to become certified in first aid, CPR, and other urgent care issues. The American Red Cross is just one agency that provides such trainings. Your teacher may be able to share some information about specific training events in your area, or help you locate an online training that is appropriate. Assess your setting to determine what would be the most common potential injuries that you should be prepared for. Consider how to respond to each situation. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 215, Plan of Action, you will prepare an emergency first aid booklet in order to understand that the purpose of first aid is to treat injuries or accidents in order to sustain life until professional medical attention can be received. Your teacher will provide more instructions for the activity.